Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's Einstein activity says a solid cube with a 4-inch edge is painted yellow on all 6 faces. It is then cut into individual 1-inch cubes. Each new cube is painted on 3 sides, 2 sides, 1 side, or no side. How many of each type are there? So I'm looking at this cube and I'm thinking about all of the different sides, all the corners, all the edges, and where I'm going to see cubes that end up having 3 sides painted, 1 side painted, or 2 sides painted. The sides that aren't painted at all aren't going to be visible from the exterior. I'm going to first start off with the cubes that are painted on 3 sides. That would be all of our corner cubes. So as you can see, this cube is painted on this side, and this side. Once the cube is detached from the rest of the overall shape, the other 3 sides of that smaller cube won't have any paint on it. What this lets me know is that all of the cubes that are on the corners all have paint on 3 sides once all of the smaller cubes are disassembled. That means there's a total of 8 cubes that have 3 sides that are painted. As far as the cubes that end up with 2 sides being painted, those are going to be our cubes that are not on the corners but are on the edges, and their faces face on 2 different planes of the overall shape. So this would be one, this would be one, this would be one, this would be one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and several more. Right now, we're only seeing the shape from this side, but I can see that this side and this side put together is going to make 2 sides of that overall cube shaded. When I count up how many cubes I have that are positioned like that, I can see that I have 24 smaller cubes that are painted on 2 of its sides. When I'm considering how many of the cubes have 1 side that will be painted, we're going to be dealing with the center 4 cubes on all 6 of the faces of the overall cube. So that means this one, this one, this one, and this one, but it's going to be the same across all of the planes. So of the 3 sides of this overall cube that I can currently see, these are the 12 cubes that have only 1 side shaded. The other 3 planes of this overall cube that I can't currently see has 12 more in the same position, and that would total the 24 cubes that only have 1 side shaded. As far as the cubes that have no sides that are painted, I'm going to consider that everything on this top row has paint on it somewhere. So this entire top row should be eliminated, as well as the entire bottom row, because they all have paint somewhere. Then the sides should be eliminated. As far as my cubes that have no sides painted, we need to think of taking the entire outer layer of cubes off of this entire overall cube. And as a result, you will be left with 8 cubes on the very center that have no sides painted at all. Guys, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, here's tomorrow's Einstein activity. See if you can solve it before I do, and comment down below with what you think the answer is. Then head over to supereasymath.com and click on math videos. Once you're there, you can have access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.